How to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to the bottom right corner on menu. Then you can head over to your profile first. Then what you can do is you can actually just change your birthday as your private information so that you can tap on the three dots right here, head over to profile settings like this, tap on edit on the top. And after you tap on edit, this is your profile edit. You can scroll down and there you should find an option where you will see your birthday. So you can head over to your edit your about info and then scroll down a bit. There you should see your birthday as you see it right here. Tap on the edit icon. Then there you will see the only me option. Make sure that you've selected only me. By default, it's on public. So select only me. And after you've done that, that's one step down. So after you've done that, what you can do is head over to menu icon again. Now what we'll do is we'll simply turn off the notification. After you're here, you'll need to head over to your settings, tap on the gear icon on the top right, then scroll down. There you'll see under Preferences, Notification Settings. Tap on Notifications, and after you've done that, you can simply scroll down, and there you'll see Birthdays. Tap on Birthdays, and now you can simply turn off notification. Tap on Turn Off, and you're good to go. And that's how you turn off birthday notification on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.